Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bike check for you. I'll start off in the front and work my way back. I have the Odyssey power ends. My grips are ODI long necks in purple. I have the Colt bars in chrome, a rush brake lever, rush brake cable. I have a Colt stem and a Colt headset. I have the Colt Sect forks. I have the Animal Tom Whitewall tires with the Sun Villa Sun Wrinkle rim laced to a stock hub and a Shadow Little Ones peg. My frame is a Colt CC1 2011 complete, but it's not really complete anymore because I had a bunch of parts. Stock cranks, I have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. On the other side, I have the Colt Members sprocket, Colt chain. I run a 25.9 setup. It's pretty good. I have the Colt Pivotal seat post, Mike Aitken signature Wolf seat with black, blue, and purple. I have an exposure brake. Just a Colt seat clamp, Dan's comp sticker, another Animal Tom Whitewall tire with another Sun Villa Sun Wrinkle laced to a stock cassette hub, and another Shadow Little One peg. My bike weighs about 23, 24 pounds, really light, really sturdy, and yeah, let me do a hub sound for you guys. So, yeah, that's my bike. Just rate, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think about my bike in the comments. Thank you, guys.